Coconut milk and turmeric make you fall asleep fast, relieve pain and inflammation, reduce cholesterol. Have you heard of or already tried the amazing taste of the golden milk? This multi-purposed mixture is a delicious drink that combines the miraculous powers of turmeric and coconut milk and is an effective natural remedy in the treatment of various health issues. The golden milk has been used in many cultures for millennia, and it improves health in countless different ways. It is an Indian drink that has recently become a hit in Western cultures. It is traditionally made by warming up cows or plant-based milk with turmeric and other spices, like cinnamon and ginger. It offers many health benefits and has been often used as an alternative remedy to boost immunity and stave off illness. Its main ingredient is turmeric, a yellow spice popular in Asian cuisine, which gives curry its yellow color. Its active ingredient, curcumin, has potent antioxidant properties, due to which it has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Turmeric is one of the most potent natural substances, with over 150 medicinal properties. It fights inflammation in the body, strengthens the immune system, and treats various conditions and diseases. On the other hand, coconut milk is a rich source of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which fight inflammation, boost muscle growth, and help weight loss. It is also high in healthy fats and electrolytes, which improve gut health and improve digestion. Their combination offers multiple health benefits, including soothes arthritis pain and fights inflammation, activates over 160 individual physiological functions, lowers bad cholesterol and high blood pressure, improves memory, treats brain disorders, accelerates learning, prevents free radical damage. Now, here is how to prepare it and reap its benefits. Ingredients: 1/8 of a teaspoon turmeric, 1 cup coconut milk, a pinch of black pepper, 1 cup water, raw, organic honey to taste. Instructions: heat all the ingredients in a saucepan, stir, and bring to simmer, covered, for 10 minutes. Sweeten with honey, and drink it 3 times daily.